Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Rowan Atkinson has a master's degree in electrical engineering from Queen's College, Oxford. Honduras was the first country to ban smoking in your home. Smokers must always stand about 2 meters away from non-smokers. On 5th June 2405, the first short film to be uploaded on internet was released. Antibiotics are ineffective against viruses. If you have a viral infection like a cold or most throat infections, taking antibiotics will cause more harm than good. On 27th May 1937, the Golden Bridge of California was opened for pedestrians. On 22 May 1960, world's greatest earthquake came in southern Chile, noted 9.5 Richter scale. There are two types of belly buttons, innies and outies. Only 4% of people have outies out of total worldwide population. Coldfish, a person lacking emotion, a heartless individual. The human lungs contain approximately 2,400 kilometers of airways. Bali has the world's largest variety of flora. Researchers found that beards were only more attractive if they were uncommon. In a study, if researchers showed a single bearded man amongst many shaved men, the bearded person was ranked as more attractive. If shown amongst other bearded men, it lost its benefit. Jamaica has 120 rivers. Mohun Bagan AC, an Indian football club based in Kolkata, is older than some of the European giants like Chelsea, Man City, Liverpool, Real Madrid, Barcelona, AC Milan and PSG. The Tarahumara tribe is known for running the longest distances humanly possible, the longest being 320 kilometers in one go. Black on yellow are the two colors with the strongest impact. Scientists have been communicating with apes via sign language since the 1960s. Apes have never asked one question. Drinking half a glass of water before bed and half a glass when waking up can serve as a psychological cue to remembering all of your dreams. Petrified wood containing turquoise opal found in Queensland, Australia. Leafcutter ants are farmers of the insect world. They cut leaves and use them to cultivate a special fungus which they then consume as a primary food source. On 9 June 1934, first film of Donald Duck cartoon was released. An orange had a mini orange growing inside of it. The most attended WrestleMania to date was WrestleMania 3 in Pontiac, Michigan on March 29, 1987. The attendance was reported to be 93,173 people. This Euphorbia blackbird plant that has exactly two branches at each node looks exactly like binary tree. Top 5 qualities of Lionel Messi: intelligence, passing, vision, agility, combativeness, speed. On 8 June 1824, Noah Cushing, the great scientist, patent for washing machine. This artist creates impossible tower of balanced rocks. History of the FIFA World Cup trophy. Blue light has more energy than any other light in the visible spectrum. Things appear the color of the light. They don't absorb but instead reflect. So if a plant has blue leaves or flowers, they are reflecting the highest energy light. It's not a scenery, it's actually a incense village. Huang Phu Cao Villages is one of the oldest traditional craft villages in Hanoi. Batteries used in remote controls often sit there for too long. It results in the formation of an oxidation layer between the terminals and the batteries. This layer has a high resistivity opposing the flow of current through it. No bathroom business before takeoff has to do with how aeroplane toilets work. On board commodes are vacuum based, they literally suck immense pressure difference between the air that's high up in the sky. Air inside the cabin pushes everything into a special tank. Did you know it takes 37 gallons of water to make one toilet paper roll? Not only are you wasting paper, but you are wasting water too. Switching to a bidet or a zero waste toilet paper brand are much better option. Bobby the Wonder Dog traveled at least 2,551 miles through various terrains including plains, deserts and mountains during the winter to return home to his family. Bhang is consumed on Holi to celebrate Lord Shiva's return to Grihastya, family life from Vairagya detachment. Ryan Gosling gained 60 lbs to play Jack Salmon in The Lovely Bones, eating melted ice cream. Ultimately, he was fired due to creative differences, which left him, in his words, fat and unemployed. Top 5 most liked Facebook pages in 2020. Coca-Cola, Real Madrid, CF, Cristiano Ronaldo, Samsung, Facebook app, Thanks for watching.